Stop wasting hours in Photoshop. The new Harmonize feature relights and adds shadows in seconds, making your edits look pro fast. Let me show you how.
All right, guys, let me quickly show you how the new coolest feature of the Photoshop works. It's called Harmonize, and it lets you merge different objects and set perfect lighting, perfect shadows. Everything will merge perfectly together. For this, we need to install Photoshop Beta. Now, let's say this is a photo of my backyard, and I want to install the beautiful Christmas chair, something like this. So, the first step is click Select Subject, and then it will select our chair. Let's copy paste. Now let's put it here. We can adjust the position, we can scale it. All right, let's say it will stay here. It's a little bit too big, something like this. All right, now look. See what's wrong? It's missing the shadows, and it doesn't really fit the lighting. So in the past, it was really hard to merge it together to make it nice. You would probably use the brush. You would create masks. You'll try to create shadows in the past. Then you would try to adjust the brightness, situations, the levels, trying to match the colors. It's so much work and it takes so much time. But now there is a better way, and it's called Harmonize. All we need to do is just click Harmonize button on our top layer and wait a couple of seconds. And boom, look, it generated shadows and perfectly matches the lighting and even gives me 3 variations. You can choose which one fits better. For example, this one. And now I zoom out and look, this chair looks like it belongs to this scene. And look, now I can even add myself to this scene as well. Let's just drag and drop, set the size, click done. Now let's click remove background. Oh, all right, let's reposition and harmonize, and now choose the correct lighting. All right. How about this one? And boom, it's ready to go. All right, let's do another example. So we're gonna use Vortex AI to generate an image of the first-person shooter game. Dramatic, epic skies, and we are in the city. Let's use this screenshot and put it through Photoshop. First thing we notice, it's really, really small. So let's use new Photoshop features called upscale. Let's go to image size, and you can open generative upscale, and let's upscale it 2 times. And look, it's upscaled and looks much more crisp. Looks perfect, but we are missing the monsters, the enemies. Let's generate some of them. We can try to use our Photoshop features. Monster is shooting at us with a gun. Let's go. But here you see the problem. Photoshop is super censored. It's pretty much useless when it's anything that falls under its community guidance. So you'll never generate anything fun or even gameplay of the monsters. Let's use Vortex AI to generate several monsters. Doom-style Inferno monster. And let's do a couple of generations. Look how many models they have. We can try different ones and see which one we like. Here, let's try Muse. And let's try Kriya and see which one. And we need white background as well. All right, let's try Image Pro. Look how fast it's generating. Perfect. It generated several combinations. Let's choose the one we like. And I also want to make few more War of the World style. Monster with a laser beam and white background. Oh, I love this one especially. So let's copy this one, and we can copy it to Photoshop. All right, let's remove background. Let's also flip it, not the whole image. All right, just the monster is flipped. Let's scale it down, and we need to relight it. All right, and let's do like this, and let's click Harmonize. All right, this one, yeah, what do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments below. And let's make Fireball a little bit brighter, yeah? Something like this. Perfect. And let's animate some epic gradient. Oh yeah, something like this, that's not so strong. Yeah, perfect. All right, let's grab another one. We need another monster from War of the Worlds. Let's copy. All right, let's put it here. Remove background. All right, let's reposition it something like this. Perfect. And of course, let's use Harmonize. Okay, this one. And now let's just quickly put the buildings on top so they don't cover the legs. And there you go, guys. Look at that. It's perfectly harmonized. Let's animate and see how everything works together.
That's all for today, guys. Don't forget to hit subscribe and follow for more crazy AI drops coming your way. Oh, please stop it.